This is the Chronicles of Ushbebe. Ushbebe in the building, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dalia.
I'll go for Charlie Boy.
What? Ivan Nelson.
You said you met Hillbillies in the UK. You performed together at a show in O2.
No, say that my sister, you carry her. This makes shenanigans. You know this. Come on. Stop joking, Ushbebe. Okay, cow does. Just to make me. You think I have work? Go kill her because as I did so I don't go Africa when I did mad for this country.
Do you really want to laugh? You want to have a good time? Don't miss the Chronicle of Ushbebe.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe.
It's massively going down at the Banilos Event Center. My name is Ushbebe. Keep it locked down. Tonight on the show, I got 2 questions for you. Keep it locked, keep it tight, and simple for me. Now, Jackie Appiah, Rita Dominic, who do you think is a better actress, sir? I don't know the two of them are actually short, but if I say Jackie, it'd be like I like Ghana girls. If I say Rita, I don't know, man. But just pick one. Keep it locked down on the Chronicles of Ushbebe. It's Nigeria FM 2 years anniversary comedy and award night, and we're killing it all the way. Blah! I got you. Oh, oh. Yeah. Oh, no. Quickly, Rita Dominic, Jackie Appiah. Who do you think is a better actress? I like it.
Better actress, Rita Dominic. Let me give them a 50-50.
You want to give them a 50-50?
Yeah.
What about you?
Nothing like Nigeria man, Rita Dominic.
Rita Dominic?
Rita Dominic.
What about you?
Rita Dominic is the best.
All the way. What about you?
Our own Rita Dominic.
Okay, now I'm going.
Rita Dominic.
Why?
Because she's kind of natural and she does things the way she feels. She's very emotional when it comes to emotional parts.
Seriously?
Yes.
So you give it to her?
Yes.
In terms of delivery, Jackie Appiah. Okay. Yeah, and longevity in the business and consistency. I will give what do you call her now? Rita Dominic. So who do you think is a better actress? Just on the whole summary now. Rita Dominic. Thank you very much. Keep it low, boss. Yeah. All right. We're good. Chronicles. We're good. One all the way.
Rita Dominic. For real.
Like seriously, because you're an actress. So
no, like seriously, Rita Dominic. Yeah.
All the way.
All the way, Rita Dominic. Appiah, they're very good now.
Okay.
Should they try? I don't believe my state person. I'm going.
Okay.
Rita Dominic.
Why Rita Dominic?
She's very natural.
Seriously. Jackie Speaker.
Yes.
Appiah.
Jackie Appiah.
Yeah.
Why Appiah?
She got the shit.
Okay. Jackie Appiah, Rita Dominic. Two of them they act. But you know, say now for all those naked things. Sorry. Honestly, Rita Dominic they show fan, but Jackie Appiah they do on live. That's the only difference. But all the time about Rita Dominic they show fan. They kiss ear, then they kiss the real face. They lick ear. They lick ear. Then what do you act of it? Okay, but let me down and ask you. Who act bad?
Rita Dominic, of course.
Rita Dominic.
She's been in the industry, she's experienced, she's gone haywire, so hello, she's better.
She's better.
Yeah.
Okay, seriously, Jackie Appiah and Rita Dominic.
Rita Dominic.
Rita Dominic, seriously, why? You're following her sister.
I love her.
You love her?
I love
Stop
her.
loving her, come on, love me. Alright, you?
I go rap my own, no? Rita, I love you.
Rita, I love
Jackie Appiah, no offense. You're a good actress. No, Rita.
I'll go for Jackie Appiah.
Seriously?
Yes.
Why?
Because she puts in more all of her emotions into what she's doing.
Okay.
And she's real. Yeah.
Okay, who do you think is a better actress?
Which are they try? Man, Rita Dominic, man.
I'm going to swear for my London blood, you know, but
Okay.
no. But I mean, Rita Dominic is, I think,
Okay.
for me.
Rita Dominic.
Rita
All right,
Dominic.
now what about